10 Amazing Health Benefits of Black Seed Oil. What is black seed oil? Extracted from the seeds of the Nigella sativa plant, black seed oil is a potent natural medicine with a pungent, strong, and bitter flavor. It is renowned for its ability to treat a wide variety of health issues and was even discovered in the tomb of Tutankhamun, indicating its use by ancient Egyptians for its healing properties. More than 1,500 years ago, the Prophet Muhammad referred to black seeds as the cure for every illness but death. Today, black seed oil can be easily purchased in the form of soft gel capsules or liquid, and is continually being researched by scientists for its medicinal potential. Additionally, fresh Nigella seeds, also known as black seeds, can be ground and eaten. In this video, we will discuss the 10 most potent health benefits of black seed oil and how it can be used to improve your well-being. It is important to note that this video is for educational purposes only, and any medical concerns should be discussed with your doctor. 1. Brain health. Studies have demonstrated that consuming half a teaspoon of black seed oil on a daily basis can enhance memory, attention, and problem-solving abilities. Black seed oil comprises of a potent natural component known as thymoquinone, which constitutes approximately 30% of the seeds. Thymoquinone helps elevate acetylcholine levels in the body, thereby promoting efficient communication between brain cells and nerves. This can be particularly advantageous for individuals struggling with neurodegenerative diseases such as dementia, Alzheimer's, autism, among others, as it aids in shielding neurons in the brain against free radical harm. 2. Anxiety and stress. In case you frequently experience anxiety, stress, or brain fog, the consumption of black seed oil may help mitigate these problems. Black seed oil has been found to boost L-tryptophan and serotonin levels in the brain, which could induce a sense of calmness, happiness, and improved focus. Additionally, studies have demonstrated that black seed oil supports neurogenesis, which aids the growth of new neurons in the brain and nervous system. 3. Weight loss. Black seed oil is a popular choice among individuals who aim to shed weight by following a diet plan and exercise routine. People often mix black seed oil with honey and consume it regularly for this purpose. This approach helps enhance the health of beta cells in the pancreas, which regulates insulin production and blood sugar levels. Improved insulin sensitivity can lead to increased fuel acceptance by cells, thereby reducing hunger pangs and assisting the body in releasing and burning fat. 4. Lung function, asthma. Individuals with asthma or breathing difficulties may turn to black seed oil to alleviate their symptoms. Studies have demonstrated that black seed oil consumption helps to reduce inflammation in the lungs, which helps to widen the airways and improve breathing. Black seed oil has also shown potential in combating sinus and lung infections, in addition to providing relief from headaches, neck pain, and toothache caused by sinusitis. With over 500 peer-reviewed studies attesting to its antiviral, antibacterial, and antifungal properties, black seed oil may prove beneficial in speeding up the healing process. A daily dose of up to 1 teaspoon of black seed oil could be consumed to introduce thymoquinone into the body. 5. Fight seizures. Individuals with epilepsy, particularly children who are unresponsive to conventional medical treatments, may benefit from incorporating black seed oil into their routine. Black seed oil contains thymoquinone, a natural anticonvulsant that supports the brain and helps reduce epileptic seizures by reducing inflammation in the brain's tissues. To further alleviate seizures, I suggest supplementing with high doses of virgin cod liver oil, which contains DHA known to help with seizures. 6. Liver protective. In modern times, the use of medications such as antibiotics and painkillers like acetaminophen, paracetamol or Tylenol, has increased, which can potentially harm the liver over time. In contrast, black seed oil has been found to have hepatoprotective properties, meaning that it protects liver cells and reduces the risk of liver disease. Additionally, thymoquinone found in black seeds has been shown to aid in the healing of liver fibrosis and scar tissue by acting as an effective antioxidant. 7. Fights cancer. Research has demonstrated that thymoquinone possesses the ability to induce cancer cell apoptosis, programmed cell death, in various parts of the body. Additionally, it helps to impede the formation of cancerous tumors by depriving them of the energy and nutrients necessary for growth and development, as well as preventing the growth of new blood vessels. 8. Skin and hair health. Topically applying black seed oil to the skin can promote healthy skin due to its potent antioxidant properties. According to historical records, this practice was used by Queen Nefertiti of ancient Egypt over 3,000 years ago to maintain youthful skin and prevent dryness. Nowadays, it is commonly used to alleviate skin disorders like eczema, psoriasis, and dermatitis. Additionally, applying black seed oil daily to fungal nail infections for 2 to 3 months can eliminate the fungus and restore the nail's appearance. For people with dandruff, mixing a few drops of black seed oil with regular shampoo and massaging it into the scalp can improve the hydration and quality of hair. 9. Lower blood pressure. By holistically treating the underlying causes, the antioxidants and volatile oils found in black seeds can help reduce blood pressure. Its ability to support the pancreas helps to control blood sugar, which then regulates cholesterol, supports the liver, and aids weight loss. 10. Fertility. Research has indicated that regular consumption of black seed oil by men can enhance sperm count and semen volume, which can be beneficial when trying to conceive. This is due to the oil's ability to support the health of reproductive organs, such as the Leydig cells that are involved in testosterone production. How to use black seed oil, recipe. Consume a mixture of 1/2 teaspoon of cold-pressed black seed oil and 1/2 teaspoon of raw honey daily. Gradually increase the dose until you reach a maximum of 2 teaspoons. Take it on an empty stomach, but if it causes bowel movements, consume it with food to build up a tolerance. Ensure that the black seed oil you choose is 100% pure, cold-pressed, and non-GMO. Keep a daily journal of how you feel 30 minutes to an hour after taking the oil to track its benefits and form a healthy habit. It's crucial to avoid giving up after a few days, as many people do with fad remedies. If you are using black seed oil to aid weight loss, it's recommended to cut back on refined carbohydrates and take digestive enzyme supplements. Additionally, you can mix a few drops of black seed oil with coconut oil to use as a massage oil, hydrate the skin, and ease muscular tension. Side effects. If you find the taste of black seed oil unpleasant, you may want to consider purchasing it in capsule form. Alternatively, it can be mixed with raw honey for improved taste and added health benefits, as was traditionally done. It is important to avoid black seed oil during pregnancy and breastfeeding as it can slow uterus contractions and affect breast milk. Before taking black seed oil, particularly if you are taking medications such as beta blockers or blood thinners, it is important to consult your doctor. Some individuals may be allergic to thymol or other compounds in the oil, so it is recommended to perform a skin test before taking it internally. It is also important to consume the oil slowly, starting with 1/2 teaspoon per day and gradually increasing to a maximum of 2 teaspoons per day. Finally, it is worth noting that pumpkin seeds and pumpkin seed oil are also highly nutritious and beneficial for health. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay safe and enjoy. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.